Today we're going to be looking at the Resdiary and Dimmy platforms and how you can make a booking on the internet and have it reflected on your point of sale on any terminal at your venue. We're also going to be looking at your meal status feature and how you can engage these on your point of sale and have them reflected in the Resdiary platform. We'll also be having a look at retrieving billing information for the customer. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we'll head to Resdiary and then we'll open a booking and select a customer. You'll notice that we have customer notes and individual booking notes. For this note, I'm just going to note down that this client would like to start with some champagne and oysters all round. I'll show you where you can access these on the point of sale in a moment, but once the booking is complete, it will appear in the Resdiary platform. Back in front office, if we open up our table layout plan, we can see our booking in the left-hand column. Once we highlight the booking, we can seat the booking and it will be allocated to the table nominated in the Resdiary platform. Once we highlight the table, we can see the booking and the customer notes in the left-hand column. These are available for staff at any time during the customer's visit. Now that the table is highlighted, we can open the table with the Open Table button, situated underneath the booking column. As you can see, the table is selected in the info grid. Now we can select the client's favourite dishes and drinks that they ordered. Remember they were after oysters all round and some champagne. Okay, now let's take a look at the meal status buttons, which are the icons at the bottom of your floor plan. If we highlight the table by pressing it once, then select the entree meal status in the floor plan, it will be reflected as the single plate icon in Resdiary. Okay, if we're going to order mains for the customer, we can highlight the table and check our booking notes if required. To engage the meal status, we can press the mains meal status. Let's open the table and order some mains for the customer. Okay, now we've got that order in. Back in Resdiary, the main meal status will be reflected as the double plate icon. If we're going to move back to the floor plan and engage the dessert status before the final courses for the table, this will appear in Resdiary as the dessert icon. Once the customer is ready to pay and the bill and table has been finalised, it will appear as closed in the Resdiary platform. To access the bill information, you can click on the Edit Process button. If you head to History, you'll be taken to the most recent billing information for that customer. You also have the option to head to the ImPOS tab to scroll through recent billing information.